Stop translating in your mind. Start speaking English naturally. In today's session, you will practice real-life English conversation. If you follow this for just 5 minutes daily, your confidence will change. Welcome back to the series. I'm really happy to have you here. Before we begin, one small request. Please do not skip this video. Watch till the end and practice with me. That is where real improvement happens. If you have not watched episode 1 and episode 2, please watch them after this session.
They will make your learning much stronger. All right, now relax, listen carefully, and speak along with me. No pressure. We go step by step. Let's begin.
Hello, how are you? Say it with me. Hello, how are you? Once again, slowly. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Try it with me. I am fine, thank you. Again, more naturally. I am fine, thank you. What about you? Say it gently. What about you? Again, what about you? Where are you from? Repeat with me. Where are you from? Again, where are you from? I am from Florida. Say it with confidence. I am from Florida. Again, I am from Florida. What do you do? Try it with me. What do you do? Again, what do you do? I am a student. Say it slowly. I am a student. Again, I am a student. Now, let's continue. What are you doing right now? Repeat with me. What are you doing right now? Again, what are you doing right now? I am practicing English. Say it clearly. I am practicing English. Again, I am practicing English. Now a small real-life situation. Can you help me? Say it with me. Can you help me? Again, can you help me? Yes, of course. Try this. Yes, of course. Again, yes, of course. Thank you so much. Repeat gently. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much. You are welcome. Say it naturally. You are welcome. Again, you are welcome. Now, one more daily situation. Where are you going? Repeat with me. Where are you going? Again, where are you going? I am going to the market. Say it clearly. I am going to the market. Again, I am going to the market. What do you want to buy? Try it with me. What do you want to buy? Again, what do you want to buy? I want to buy some fruits. Repeat slowly. I want to buy some fruits. Again, I want to buy some fruits. Now, let's speak a full conversation. Listen and repeat. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What about you? I am doing well. Where are you from? I am from Florida. What do you do? I am a student. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Now try to speak it on your own. Take your time. Very good. You are improving step by step. Do not worry about mistakes. Fluency comes with daily practice. Just keep speaking. Every day. A little practice will bring big change. Even if you feel slow, keep going. If this session helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to RFQ English Lab. Keep practicing. Stay consistent. I will see you in the next session.